Ever wondered if your beloved DirecTV satellite channels can grace your Apple TV screen? Today, we're diving deep into the exciting potential of connecting your DirecTV Satellite Plan to your Apple TV, unlocking a world of entertainment right on your favorite streaming device. The primary way you'll achieve this integration is by leveraging the DirecTV app. So, step 1 is to grab your Apple TV remote and navigate to the App Store. Once in the App Store, use the search function to find the DirecTV app. Simply type in DirecTV and hit search. You should see the official DirecTV app appear. Select it, and then proceed to download and install it onto your Apple TV. This usually just involves selecting the Get or Download button. After the app is installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to log in. Here's where you'll need your existing DirecTV subscription credentials. This is your username and password that you use to access your account online. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll gain access to your subscribed DirecTV channels and potentially even on-demand content, all directly through the DirecTV app on your Apple TV. It's important to note that while the DirecTV app is the most common route, the exact functionality and channel availability can depend on your specific DirecTV satellite plan. Some plans are more optimized for streaming than others. This streaming approach effectively brings your satellite channels to your Apple TV, offering a convenient way to catch your favorite shows and live sports without needing a separate satellite receiver box connected to that specific TV. So, to summarize, by downloading and logging into the DirecTV app through your Apple TV's App Store, you can indeed connect your DirecTV satellite plan to your Apple TV and enhance your viewing experience.